Hi everyone, this is John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and thank you for joining us for another video in our WordPress series. Today I'm going to show you how to use LiteSpeed Cache for WordPress. You will need a quick.cloud account to complete this guide. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New, search for the LiteSpeed Cache plugin, and install and activate it. Now that it's installed and activated, let's click LiteSpeed Cache, then General in your WordPress dashboard. Click the Request Domain Key button. Refresh the page and you'll see the domain key has been filled in. Click the Visit My Dashboard on Quick.cloud link. Now we're going to log into our Quick.cloud account. Now let's go back to your WordPress dashboard, enter your shared IP address in the server IP field. Then click Save Changes. Now we're going to turn the caching features on if they aren't already activated. Click LiteSpeed Cache, then Cache in your WordPress dashboard menu. Make sure the Enable Cache option is set to On. You can also go through the available tabs for more specific settings. Click Save Changes. If you want to erase or purge all of your cache, click LiteSpeed Cache, then Toolbox in your dashboard menu. Click the Purge All button. The crawler tool reviews your site for old content and updates the existing cache. You can perform a manual crawl by clicking LiteSpeed Cache, then Crawler, and clicking the Manually Run button. To set up an automatic crawl, click the General Settings tab, switch the crawler option to On, then click the Save Changes button. Now when someone visits your site, they should be served a cached version of your content. This should result in a faster website experience. Thank you for joining us for another video in our WordPress series. Check out our WordPress Education Channel for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to like this video or comment below and let us know what you think.
Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.